Solving network issues with Site24x7 Dashboards. When network performance dips and complaints flood in, your team scrambles to find the root cause. But without unified visibility, troubleshooting turns into guesswork. Data is scattered across tools, alerts lack context, and the time to resolution keeps growing. What if your entire network story could be read on one dashboard? With Site24x7's custom dashboards, you get complete, real-time visibility across the health and availability of network devices, traffic, configurations, and topology all in one place. To create a dashboard, navigate to Home, Dashboards, and click Create New. Scroll down in the left pane to view the widget specific for monitoring networks. Start with Maps to get the full context. Layer 2 maps show switch level links. The topology map lays out routing paths between devices, and infrastructure maps unify cloud instances, servers, and networks in one view. Next, network performance widgets help isolate physical issues. The interfaces health shows link stability across devices. Top-end interfaces highlight traffic-heavy or error-prone ports. Interface performance gives real-time metrics like errors and discards. Devices down and SNMP trap alarms alert you to actual failures. The network tree shows device groups and their health instantly. Next, use NetFlow widgets to uncover traffic anomalies. Separate NetFlow, SFlow, and JFlow traffic using the flow type filter. NetFlow views show top apps, IPs, and conversations, so you can detect spikes or unusual flows. Then check NCM widgets to link performance drops to configuration changes. The change trend shows what changed, when, and where. The NCM summary reveals backup gaps or policy violations. And NCM vulnerabilities flag risky firmware you may have missed. You have traced the traffic spike, found the faulty interface, and linked it to a configuration change, all from one dashboard. Build dashboards that think like your network team. Add only what you need. Filter what matters, and take control of every layer with Site24x7.